I love fresh corn. It's sweet, it's crunchy, it's delicious, and inexpensive. But if you want it off the cob, you gotta commit to it. You gotta shuck it, you gotta pull out all the corn silk, and then if you want it off the cob, you gotta cut it off. And that kernel's deemed to go everywhere but where you want them. It just makes a huge mess. Well, I've got a hack for you that can help you contain all that tasty corn so that more of it goes into your dish and in your mouth. All right, our corn is shucked. So now you're going to need a cutting board, medium-sized, a knife, sharp, a little heavy, and a half sheet pan. Let's do this. Put your sheet pan down on the counter, then place your cutting board right inside of it. Hold the corn up vertically. You can cut the bottom flat if you want. And start cutting down along the side of the ear, and the kernel will start falling off. You can see the sheet pan catching some already. Right over there and right over there. You'll need to apply some downward pressure with the knife to get all the kernels off. Just be sure to keep your fingers out of the way. Be smart, people. I did a better job with this one. Good, even cuts. Most of the corn will be on the board, but now thanks to the sheet pan, you have all of it, and an easy cleanup. See, look at all this delicious corn. And none of it's on the counter. Like, any of the stragglers were caught by the sheet pan, right around here on the lip. So, now, you know, oh man, it's good. Now you can put it in a salad, you can put it in like a succotash, you can saute it. You can even cook it beforehand and then cut it, but I would use the same method because then you still won't lose any. Put it in a soup, or like I'm doing, you can just eat it. That makes one. Hey, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. We've got more great content coming, and more Toby, of course. And I'll see you in the next one.
I guess we can call it ASMR corn shucking.
This.